Welcome, this is our sound pack. Before I show you around the folders, I want to remind you once again that these sounds we are having here, it works perfectly well on your phone and on your computer, and it works on all applications, so they are not meant for any specific app. So, and all you need for your video editing and video production will be found here, both for amateurs and professional video producers. All you need will be found, the basic thing you need will be found here. So this is the wedding sounds. Okay, we have about 11 files here. Okay, this one is the links where you download more sound effects. Okay, this is what you need for your film making, different sounds, both applause, brushing teeth, any sound you can think of. Here we are having 46 files, and in this folder we are having 531 files. So the basic things you need, or most of the things you need, will be found here for your video film making. Okay, here we have transition packs. Okay, so here we have the transition sound effect. They are a collection of transition sound effects. This one is having about 24 transition sound effects, and others. They are a collection of sound effects, and further here we have more sound effects. Okay, so here we are having background music, about 23 background music. You can see it here. They were carefully handpicked from hundreds of background music. So here we are having a collection of 11 African traditional sounds, which means that one of these files has more than one African traditional sound. So we are having 11 collection here. Okay, here we are having the drums. Okay, here we are having corporate music. They are also handpicked from hundreds of music available online. So these we are carefully handpicked. We are having 8 of them here. Corporate music. We are having the notification effects. So these are also a collection of notification. This one is having about 50 notification sounds. So others, they are a collection of notifications. Okay, here we are having about 7 sports and workout beats, carefully selected. Here we are having 7 ambient sounds, carefully selected. Here we are having a collection of percussion sound effect collection, which means one file has more than one percussion sound. Okay, here we are having a collection of logo intro. This is having 15 cinematic sound effects, 15 logo intro. This one is having 18. This one is having 35. So they are a collection of logo intro you need for your video. This one is a collection of funny background music. So they are a collection of funny background music, 5 collections. Each file is having a number of funny background music. This is a collection of comedy sound effects. We even have a special file for the Nigerian popular comedy sound effect. So this is a collection of comedy sound effects. Okay, this is the sounds you need for your action, cinematic and epic. There you can see the folders there. These are riser sound effects. We have about 4 of them. This is what you use for your horror and suspense scene in your video making. Okay, we also have a collection of it. So this is the emotional music. They were carefully handpicked from a number of emotional background music. So this is also a collection of glitch effect. So like I said, all you need for your film or video making will hopefully will be found here. The basic things you need, both for amateurs and professionals. So, and like I said, they work on all apps, both phones and computer. So this is something you will need. Don't skip this opportunity. So so ensure you grab your own copy. So thanks for watching and God bless.